Hello everyone, my name is Rayana. Today we will learn lesson 1. The topic is nice to meet you. Salom hammaga, mening ismim Rayana. Bugun bizda birinchi mavzu nice to meet you, ya'ni tanishganimdan xursandman mavzusi. For example, nice to meet you Anita. Nice to meet you too. Tanishganimdan xursandman Anita. Men ham tanishganimdan xursandman. Read and practice the conversation with your partner. O'qing va do'stlaringiz bilan birga mashq qiling. Hello, what's your first name? My name is Ravshan. And what's your surname? My surname is Azizov. How do you spell that? A-Z-I-Z-O-V. And where are you from, Ravshan? I'm from Andijan. I'm Uzbek. Thank you very much. Complete the conversation. Pause and practice with your friend. Check the answers. Hello, my name is Kamala. What's your name? Danyar. Where are you from, Danyar? I'm from Andijan. Where are you from? I'm from Andijan too. Oh, nice to meet you. Grammar spot. Grammatik ko'nikmalar. Positive. Bo'lishli shakli. I am. You are. He is. She is. Negative. Salbiy taraflar. I'm not. You aren't. He isn't. She isn't. Pronouns. Kishilik olmoshlari. I, you, he, she. Possessive adjectives. Egalik olmoshlari. My, your, his, her. Look at the information about Ravshan. Keling Ravshan haqida ma'lumotlarga qaraymiz. Name, city, age, phone number, email address, and married or not. His full name is Ravshan Azizov. Uning to'liq ismi Ravshan Azizov. City. U Samarqanddan. Age. Uning yoshi 30 da. Phone number. Uning telefon raqami 93 145 7898. 93li 145 78 98. Email address ravshan@gmail.com. Email adresi ravshan@gmail.com. Married. Oilaviy holatda u uylanmagan. Complete the questions about Ravshan. Ravshan haqidagi savollarga javob toping. Pause and practice with your friend. Check the answers. Endi javoblarni tekshirib olamiz. What is his surname? Azizov. What is his first name? Ravshan. Where is he from? Samarkand. How old is he? Surdi. What is his phone number? 93 145 7898. What is his email address? ravshan@gmail.com. Is he married? No, he isn't. Read about Kamala's life and family. My name is Kamala and I'm from Andijan. Mening ismim Kamala va men Andijondanman. I'm 21 years old and I'm a student. Men 21 yoshdaman va men talabaman. I go to Andijan State Institute of Foreign Languages. Men Andijon davlat chet tillar institutiga boraman. I have a brother and a sister. Mening akam va singlim bor. My brother name is Ali. Mening ukamning ismi Ali. He is 16 and he is at school. U 16 yoshda va u maktabda o'qiydi. My sister's name is Malika. She's 25 and she's married. Mening opamning ismi Malika, u 25 yoshda va u turmushga chiqqan. I live with my parents and my brother in a house in Andijan. My father Abror is a lawyer and my mother Mahinur is a teacher. Mening dadam Abror, u advokat. Mening oyim Mahinur, u o'qituvchi. I'm not married. I have many friends. My family really like my friends. Men turmushga chiqmaganman. Mening ko'plab do'stlarim bor. Mening oilam do'stlarimni juda ham yaxshi ko'rishadi. Complete the sentences about Kamala. Kamala haqidagi savollarni to'ldiring. Complete the sentences about Kamala. I go to the Andijan State Institute of Foreign Languages. I have a brother and a sister. I live with my parents in a house in Andijan. My family really like my friends. Grammar spot. Grammatik ko'nikmalar. Apostrophe can be used in two cases. Apostrophe ikki xil uslubda keladi. Look at the sentences. My name is Kamala. Bundagi s to be'dagi isni beradi. The second one is my brother's name is Ali. Ikkinchisi bu egalikni bildiradi. Mening ukamning ismi Ali. Answer the questions about Kamala. Kamala haqidagi savollarga javob bering. Pause and practice. Let's check the answers. Who is Ali? He is Kamola's brother. Who is Malika? She is Kamola's sister. Who is Mahinur? She is Kamola's mother. What's her father's job? He is a lawyer. What's her mother's job? She is a teacher. Complete the sentences with the correct forms of the to be. Gaplarni to be'dagi to'g'ri shakllarini qo'yib to'ldiring. Check the answers. Javoblarni tekshirib olamiz. Where are you from? Are you from Andijan? Yes, I am. How old are you? I am 17. Are your sister married? No, they aren't. I like you. You are my friend. Umida is from Tashkent. Is your mother a doctor? No, she isn't. I'm not German. I'm French. Complete the chart with the words from the box. Yuqoridagi so'zlardan foydalanib, bo'shliqni to'ldiring. Let's translate the words from the box. Yuqoridagi so'zlarni tarjima qilamiz. Mother, bu ona. Uncle, amaki yoki tog'a. Wife, bu turmush o'rtoq, ayol kishiga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Son, bu o'g'il farzand. Daughter, bu qiz farzand. Niece, bu jiyan, qiz jiyanga nisbatan ishlatiladi. Grandmother, bu buvi. Aunt, xola yoki amma. Brother, uka yoki aka. Pause the video and complete the sentences. Videoni to'xtating va mashqlarni bajaring. Let's check the answers. Kelinglar javoblarni tekshirib olamiz. The family, bu oila. Father and mother, bu ota-ona. Husband and wife, er va xotin. Son and daughter, bu qiz va o'g'il farzandlar. Brother and sister, aka yoki uka, opa yoki singil. Grandfather and grandmother, bobo va buvi. Uncle and aunt, amaki yoki tog'a. Aunt, xola yoki amma. Nephew and niece. Nephew bu o'g'il bola jiyanga ishlatiladi. Niece bu qiz bola jiyan. Our lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.